Hello and welcome back to another video, another rum subscription box tasting video. We're back with February's box for the little rum box. I haven't opened this yet, I haven't looked at it, I have not seen what's inside it. Obviously I know it's going to be 2 bottles of rum, but don't know which kind it is. This is February's box. We've done December's and January's. I'll leave them here and also down below if you want to check those out as well. But I'm excited to see what's inside here, so we should probably just get into it. Like I said, I've got a box here with the 2 bottles of rum in it. I've got 2 glasses ready to go, so let's open it and see what's inside. So like always, inside we've got the little cards right at the top that tell you the rums, but we'll look at that after. And then we have the 2 rums. We have a ginger rum, a pirate's rum, and a sea salt rum. That's interesting. So here is the ginger one. See if this helps it focus, since it never wants to focus on these things. But here's the ginger one. Again, it's dark rum. I don't know if you can tell. Still quite a light dark rum. But it is a dark rum. And then this is the sea salt one, which I think, I mean, that's a very pale rum. That one I think is going to be the best with a mixer, something I again do not have on me. But this is the sea salt one. I really love these bottles. These are such nice little bottles. So here are the cards for the rum. I don't know whether to try the rum first and then look at these. Let's try the rum. Let's try the rum first, and then we'll look at the cards. So we've got the ginger one, like I said. Satisfying, but I also hate doing it. It does just smell like, I'm getting the smokiness. I am getting smokiness actually. And something else in there. Maybe it's the ginger, I don't think it is. But I can definitely smell the smokiness. There is another smell there, and then there's like the rum smell. So that's the ginger one. This is the much paler sea salt one. I'll be interested to see what other notes it's got in it. That one smells really smoky. I think I'm going to much prefer this one in a Coke. Should we try that one first? Let's try the sea salt one first. Got my little glass. Got my little splash. Oh, that's quite a lot of splash. Get the cost out of the way first. Yeah, I mean, look how... Yeah, it's definitely like a... I mean, that's almost clear. So that's pretty much almost a white rum, so which would obviously be better in like cocktails or with a mixer than just drinking straight. I'm not getting much in this one, other than like kind of smoky rum alcohol taste. Like not kind of cheap alcohol taste, not like just like alcohol, but I'm getting like just a rum taste and smokiness. Because usually I can taste like other things with these. Not my favourite so far, I would say, out of all the 5 that I've tried so far. It is nice. It is very smoky. I'd be interested to read about that one and see what other flavours are meant to be in it. But I'm not getting anything. That one will be nice with a Coke though. Or orange juice. I do like an orange juice and rum. Let's try it, the ginger one. Yeah, I'm definitely getting like a smoky flavour, but then like almost like a wood. It's weird. Got a new glass so it's not be tainted. Again, I poured quite a bit. Am I right? I don't know if you can see that, but that is quite a bit darker than the previous one. Oh, I want to read this one about this one because I'm smelling so many different things with this one. That is very smooth, like unbelievably smooth. No burn. The other one had a slight burn to it, but this one has no burn. So unbelievably smooth. I can't work out the flavour. I know it's going to be like a smoked ginger, but like I don't even know what I'd mix this one with if I was going to mix it. Maybe an orange juice? Could be quite nice with Coke. I think this one might be nicer with Coke than with orange juice. I'm trying to like, I don't know. The flavour just, there's a flavour in here that I can't work out, and I'm excited to read about it. So we've got the two cards here that tell us about the rums. I will put the info on the screen. A rich, sumptuous rum that balances stone fruit and soft, warming spices, evoking notes of apricot and almonds, and combined with the floral highs of honeysuckle, all contrast with the tang and the touch of Burton sea salt. I wasn't getting any of that. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't getting any floral notes. I wasn't getting any apricot or almonds. I was just getting like rum and smokiness. Interesting, interesting. Now, I wasn't getting any of that. I don't know if you've tried this rum, if you were getting any of those notes. Maybe I have to try it again. I wasn't really getting any floral notes, or even salty notes, or fruity notes. But maybe if I try it again, maybe I'll get them. So then we've got the Pirate's Crog Smoky Ginger Spiced Rum. Okay, so it's got, let's see, fresh ginger married with the smokiness of chilies, combined with a touch of demerara sugar and a deliciously smooth 5-year aged golden rum. Okay, so maybe it's the chilies I was tasting and the golden rum, and I'm not sure. Or maybe it's demerara sugar. There's definitely another taste in there. I don't think it was the ginger. Interesting. I hope you like reading those. Yeah. I would say this is maybe not my favourite box. I think I liked January's more. But I did still like the ginger rum from this one. And I might add it to my collection. I've actually been writing down a list of the rums from these boxes that I like, and also going onto the website and finding rums from the website that I like the sound of. So one, I'm hoping I get them in the boxes, and two, hopefully I'm going to buy them soon. But yeah, interesting. I always like reading about the rums and where they come from and their history behind them. But yeah, if you've tried either of these rums or heard of them, let me know. What did you think of them if you've tried them? Or do you want to try them? And yeah, I know these videos don't do that well, but I enjoy making these. I hope you enjoyed hearing about these rums and reading about these rums and watching me taste these rums. I will see you again for another one of these, at least in March, and other videos between now and then. See you then.